Hi guys, it's Albi. I was literally just watching on YouTube some videos about Fursona pins. I was working on some other stuff as well, like this, and painting and shit, but I got the package and I was like, this color seems kind of familiar to me. It's officially the same color as Xusho Wolf. Let's see. There's my first Fursona pin. Okay, first there's a scuffed sticker. It has been bent, but that's okay. That's really cool. I wasn't expecting this, but that's really nice actually. Good job, Xusho. It's very cute. And then the real deal. I'm gonna pull out it. I'm not gonna look at it yet. I'm not looking. This is my first Fursona pin in my entire life. It's really small, really cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's really good quality actually. Not as dark as I imagined. Yeah, that's really nice. Thank you, Xusho. I love it a lot. Oh my god. I'm so happy I have a Fursona pin now. Wow, that's amazing. Is there anything else? Nope, that was all. I had to make this video. I was just watching videos about these, and now I have one. That's amazing. What a coincidence. Yeah, I will film more videos when I get motivation. This was just a really quick one. But expect more in the future, I guess. See you!